A very good morning to one and all. Firstly, I want to thank the organizer, I2R, Green Thinkers, Centre for Modern Constructions, Western Sydney University, Australia, Sustainable Cosmos, Cisco Academy, and the Intelligent India for inviting me in the 7th International Conference or Interdisciplinary Research for Sustainable Development 2021 as a keynote speaker. As we all know, pandemic has hushed our life and hushed us toward the worst recession in the decades, with widespread disruptions on societies and citizens. After many years of progress, poverty and hunger on the rise. Children are suffering from the lack of schooling. Resources are limited. Even before the coronavirus, inequalities are growing. Education quality is going to worst. Biodiversity was also disappearing, and so many other things. So we need a path that bring health to all, revive our economy, bring people in the form of society, build long-term resilience, sustainability, opportunity, and the peace. And for to achieve this path, we have our SDGs goal. These SDGs goals are very important for us. And now I am going to explain these SDGs goals and topic of my SDG for quality education. Sustainable development is basically an action plan which help to achieve sustainability in any activity which make use of resources through sustainable development. We formulate organizing principle which help to sustain the limited resources essential to provide for the needs of our future generation. As a result, they will be able to lead a content life on the planet. This slide shows our 17 SDGs that are the three mantras for spirituality, ecological, and for the people. I am not going to explain all these 17 SDGs here. I am just explaining now fourth SDG quality education. I already told you why sustainable development is necessary. I am talking about our quality education, that is 4, that aim to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunity for all. The slide shows our literacy rate. 74.0% adults are literate. In the rural area, 68.91% are literate. So therefore, we have need for our quality education. So SDG sets our 10 target to achieve the quality of education. First, ensures all girls and boys completely free education, equitable and quality primary and secondary education, leading to relevant and effective learning outcomes. It is our first target by SDG goal 4. And according to this, 12 year of free, publicly funded, inclusive, equitable and quality primary education in which at least 9 years are compulsory for the children. And the second target of SDG is to ensure that the all girls and boys have access the quality early childhood development, care and the pre-primary education so that they are ready for their primary education. And according to their target 4.3, by 2030, according to this target, ensures equal access for all women and the men and affordable and quality technical, vocational and tertiary education in anywhere including universities. And the provision for the tertiary education should be made progressively free and in line with existing international agreements. To achieve quality education, SDGs set their target 4.4 and according to which increase the number of youth and adults who have relevant skills including technical and vocational skill for employment and decent job and entrepreneurship. because there are many unemployment in areas. To cover this unemployment, need a quality education, vocational skills, technical skills. And according to target 4.5, it aims to eliminate gender disparities in education and ensure equal access to all level of education and vocational training for the vulnerable, including persons with disabilities, indigenous peoples, and the children in vulnerable situations. And it aims to the all people irrespective of any sex, age, race, color, ethnicity, language, religion, political and other opinion, national and social origin, as well as a person with disability, migrant, indigenous peoples, and the children and the youth. Basically uh, basically the children in vulnerable situation should have access to inclusive, equitable, quality education and lifelong learning opportunity. And all girls and the boy, woman and the man should have equal opportunity to enjoy education of high quality, achieve at equal level and enjoy equal benefit for the education. That aim of the target 4.5. If we talk about target number 6, that is 4.6, and it aim to ensure that all youth and the sustainable proportion of adults, both man and the woman, achieve literacy and numeracy. And it goes beyond the understanding of the simple tectonic of literate versus illiterate. And it aimed to ensuring that by 2030 all the young people and the adults across the world should have achieved relevant and recognized proficiency levels in function literacy and numeracy skills that are equivalent to level achieved at successful completion of the basic education. And the target 7, that is very important, it aimed to complete by 2030 all the learner acquired the knowledge and the skill needed to promote sustainable development, including among others through education for sustainable development and sustainable lifestyles, human rights, gender equality, promotion of culture of peace and non-violence, global citizenship, and the appreciation of the culture diversity of and of culture's distributions of sustainable development. And it is vital to give a central place to strengthening education's contribution to the fulfillment of the human's right. And the knowledge, skills, values, and the attitude required by the citizens to lead productive lives, make informed decisions, and assume active roles locally and as well as globally. In face and these are the three implementation that are done by our SDGs, and it aims to build and upgrade education facilities that are child disability and gender sensitive and provide a safe and non-violent, inclusive and effective learning environment for all. It is a target address by the 4.A, and this is the 4.B. By 2030 it aims to expand our higher education, provide scholarship for children for developing our countries. Scholarship programs can play a vital role in the providing opportunity for the young people and adult who would otherwise not be able to afford to continue their education. Where developed countries offer scholarship to students for developing countries, these would be structured to build a capability of the developing country. While the importance of the scholarship is recognized in the other form of education, in line with the SDG 4, Education 2030 focus on the equity, inclusion and the quality. Scholarship should be transparently targeted at the young people that are not capable to pay their fees for continuing their education. Last but not least, target by SDG, and it aimed to increase the supply of qualified teachers, including through international cooperation for teacher training in developing countries, especially least developed countries and the small developing states. And it aimed to provide good teachers because teachers are the key to achieving all the SDG 4 target, and it require urgent attention with a more immediate deadline because the equity gap in the education providing shortage and uneven distribution of the professionally trained teacher, especially in the disadvantaged area, as a teacher are our fundamental condition for guaranteeing quality education. So we need a professional qualified well trained teacher to achieve our these target. And at last I can say that education is a very important to achieve our all SDGs target. Education is the key that will allow many other SDGs to be achieved. When people are able to get quality education, they can break the cycle of poverty. Education helps reduce the inequalities and to reach gender equality. It also empower people in every where to live more healthy and sustainable lives. Education is also crucial for casting tolerance between people and the contribute to more peaceful societies. Hence, by seeing these words, I've stopped my PPT. Thank you, thank you, and all.